What is this? Racing seats, CTS. Is it neat? So you have here ATS sedan. Excuse me. What you got here? This must be the first ever plug-in CT6. Okay. 75, fine. Oh man. Oh man. How's it going, guys?
Good. They're simpler design pieces of Jesus.
It seems like it's white. Peanut butter
Except for the twist, it kind of has that little wire, a little bit of horizontal, nice lighting at this time. And they're OLEDs, so organic LEDs in the back. For you folks in the front, we've got LEDs in the front, but you can see kind of a little horizontal interest.
Excuse me. Oh man, look at that window. I mean, roof. I'm gonna go over there. It's crazy though. While we're doing that, I went down pretty nice. Closed itself. Talking about.
Mila, don't move.
Now this thing should be made. This is nice.
Could you imagine?
Go this direction. Excuse me. One big door. Yeah, this ain't gonna never be made. I said this is never gonna be made. One big door. They wouldn't do that. Nice design though. Oh man. I guess we're gonna walk up there. Close up. They should open up the trunk too. Oh, this is neat. Let's check this out. Oh, it doesn't do anything. This is looking at me and saying no. Doesn't do anything. But it's not working. It doesn't work. I've been trying it. I know, exactly. You would think it'd be.
Yeah, especially for a car like this.
Right. Yep. A good view up here.
I want one of those.
I'm sorry.
How you from?
Let go, let go. Lots of cars. Oh man. That is nice. Whew. Nice car.
That was almost rough.
All right. Ferrari. I think, right? Right?
Like a Corvette.
Ferrari, I'm right. Oh man.
Hey.
Come in here. Feel the. I remember this. The carpet's different. Why can't you open the door?
Don't touch. They said don't touch.
They said that? You can't touch it?
No, I'm joking. It was the electricity.
Ah, gotcha,
They
gotcha.
charged him. So because of that.
It's different. Let's see. Performance is everything here. Hello.
Hey.
Brembo. Or whatever how you say that. So it wasn't the Ferrari exhibit. They were just showing the performance of the vehicles. I mean, of their product with the vehicle. Might as well grab something. Like something? Keychain?
You have to take our quiz.
Oh, okay. I'll take the quiz. Okay. Oh, register. Nice. Oh, dual screen. That's nice. 60. So I just overheard some people talking, and they were saying that this part right here is what messes up the car. They said they use cheap material for that. They didn't like it, so they could have did that better. On to the next one. On to the next one. Yeah, see, this looks way better. If they would have put that on there, that type of design, looks better anyway. This doesn't look bad. Let's see how you. Okay. Press the button, trunks open up. Like so. Button. Dang, folks have messed up this vehicle. Oh, two of them. Two sunroofs. I don't think I've ever seen that. Two sunroofs. Oh, whoops. QX50. Oh, I wasn't recording. Come on. Come on, I just want to see the inside of the car. Give me the inside and we're out. The dual screen. The seats look nice. Oh. So what is this supposed to be? They're showcasing different cars. The sports cars. Oh, they're all sports cars, but other than that, what? You know what it is? No, you don't know either. What's going on here, guys? Excuse me. Oh, thank you. Oh man, that's sad. Yeah, that's sweet. Huh.
They got one, a Ferrari, a Audi. They got a Ferrari.
You know how to say that?
Nope, don't know. Base models. This is neat. What's going on over here?
For what?
Oh, there's a line.
That's a brilliant.
bought it. Don't grab that. All right, what is this? How you doing? What's this?
This is just basically a representation of the computer system that would work in the Portal concept vehicle downstairs. So it's basically the new age aspect of the minivan. So
Right.
Every passenger could have their own entertainment. Kids in the back can be watching TV. The driver and passenger in front can listen to whatever they wish separately, but without interfering with each other. So, and then all centralized computer system. So basically, as a passenger in the back, I could send a sound to the front. We could play it around the whole stereo, videos, media, pictures, all that would be fully integrated. And then also, it has facial recognition software. So it would recognize you as the driver, you or whoever else was programmed
So
in.
no more seat programming.
No more keys. No key to get in the vehicle. No key to start it. It would cut down on thefts by tenfold. Nobody could start the car without the facial recognition software. So.
Neat.
Also electric and autonomous, so it drives itself.
Oh, see, I didn't know that. I was thinking it would,
Yeah.
but it having a steering wheel, I was
Yeah, the steering
unsure.
wheel actually on the concept downstairs folds into the dashboard. So
Okay.
Autonomous level 3 is driver supervised. Yeah. Driver supervised autonomous level 3. As you go to 4, there's no need for a steering wheel. The vehicle drives itself. So that being said, the vehicle's upgradable. So if you bought it in 2018, it was only level 3 autonomous, and then in 2019 it came out with level 5. Then you could upgrade to that.
Okay.
So that would get you basically. You wouldn't have to look. The car would drive itself. You could turn around and have a conversation with the people in the back. No problem. Not quite there yet. But we're close. We're very
Close. Is Tesla there yet, or are they close?
They're working on 4. Everybody has a tech of 5, but nobody really releases it. So,
Okay.
3 is a big deal. That's basically saying the vehicle's going to drive itself, but we want you to keep your foot on the brake in case a kid runs out or if a car pulls out in front of you. Basically just assumes the responsibility, keeps the driver in control. As you go to level 4 and 5, it alleviates the driver of all responsibility. So the car will drive itself, turn the corners, basically set a destination and go. Level 4 would be without navigation. Level 5 would be fully navigated driverless system. So, at that point, you can turn the driver's seat around and face the back of the car. As long as you can see, you won't get any motion sickness. You'll be pretty okay.
Who's responsible?
Hard
Now,
to say. The
no
insurance
one-
company, I would think.
Insurance. So
Yeah.
after that,
Yeah.
insurance cop. Okay.
More or less, the biggest thing now is that without there being a lot of the cars on the road, there's a lot of other driver interference that comes into play.
Right.
So until there's a majority of the vehicles are autonomous, that's when the level 5 will come into play. Is when it's interacting with another vehicle where they're not going to collide or be around each other too close. So
Right. No unpredictability from human error.
Yes, once they're all in correlation with each other, then we don't much have to worry about the cars crashing into each other. So, that's in the near future. They have the tech for it. Level 4 is already in production from all the big 3. So Ford, GM, and Chrysler all have it. Tesla's going to level 4 in the public next year.
Are they here? You mean in here?
They're
tonight?
not.
I didn't see it.
I heard they're not here. There's a couple of prototype full electric vehicles here. GVR, I believe, is one of them, and then there's another 3-letter acronym. They're, I believe, on the other side of the kiosk here. So if you walk around there, the other side of Kia, I think they look very Tesla-esque. They're very long, kind of drawn-out cars. But take a look over there. There's some other very cool stuff. What you'll see next year is probably a lot more electric vehicle stuff. They're really ramping up the energy.
Good.
Yeah, no doubt. For the kids. Yeah.
All right. Look at this stuff. Look at that, Joe. That's neat. How about that? Oh, you got a nice little line. Aldi's. New A6, 67. Oh no, guy. This is nice. Hey, yeah, I do like those. Excuse me. What kind of trunk space it has? Not any at all. Okay.
Balls and that clip alone is like 80. But like this part of the
Ooh, that paint. I like that.
That was nice.
These colors, I like them. I don't like the red ones.
Look at the headlights.
Yeah, that's our website. Good one, check it out. Kind of shows you
I feel like I can hear
rolled up. Oh, sorry.
This is nice. And they have the soft carpet over here that makes it a little like more luxurious. It's clean for a truck. 6-foot box. Here, push the cart. Oh man, look at the old cars.
Please do not touch.
Thomas Fires. Whoa. That's neat. That is crazy, huh? Stick down, yep, stick down. Engine. Go Blue.
Yeah, it's a fun project too.
Solar Racing, huh? Champs.
Yeah, I'm not sure whether there's.
Well, how you doing? Good, good. Oh man. You can take cards or just for looks?
Yeah, you can take it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's great. Take it.
Thank you.
All the stuff you ever look at. You're like, I'm taking pictures of right now.
Yeah. Whew. I ate a little bit closer. Close up look.
Guy like this little kid just run his fingers down.
Go to right.
Oh, not again. I'm gonna get
Porsche car. Oh, this is nice. Low. Oh, just Transformer soldiers. Nissan GT, man. That's nice. Oh, I didn't even see that.
You think it's
You ready? Lego. Lego. Legos. Man. Excuse me. Man. That is neat. Excuse me. That right there is neat.
That's pretty awesome.
GM trucks. This is nice. It's clean. 8-foot box. Kids on a leash. Kids on a leash. What y'all think about kids on a leash? If I could just get no faces. Kids on a leash. Good thing, bad thing. Good thing, bad thing. I think bad. I don't know. Get some control. Corolla. Like Corollas. Oh, the dash is pretty nice. Like an old cassette player. I mean, not cassette, like tape player, almost.
I think the reason that the
24. It's pretty small inside. For only 24? No, that's surprising.
I know.
Yeah.
Go to the store, they
Oh, this is nice. What is this? Oh, the Avalon. Ernest. Hey. The Avalon is nice.
second you get 8.
What is this? What in the world? Oh, the seat coming down? Oh man, this is neat. The fuel cell. Toyota FCV Plus. Huh? Yeah. Looks like a... I can get inside like a motorcycle. Yeah, I want to look up this, see what the heck this is.
Great, thank you.
All right, that's... Looks like the best Mazda. It's literally bigger than the car. X5. How's it going, man? They don't even seem like they have it. Man, yeah. Break yourself trying to get in and out of the car. Ooh-wee. Please do not open. Oh, that's cool. The straps. That's different. Got this car. Got a fuel cell. M-I-R-A-I? Huh? Is that right? Huh. Okay. Myrai. Got a keyboard up there? Oh, so no dashboard. Dashboard's right there. I mean, screen right there. Dual screens.
How easy is it to
No sunroof. It's a neat Toyota.
That you guys are all asking about. Really unique. We've never seen anything like it in the vehicle. This is actually a
separate concept called the kinetic seat design. It's made of a synthetic spider silk, and the idea behind it is to have mobility of your lower body, kind of like when you're walking or running. It's actually what your body wants, the mobility for your spinal cord. So it's actually going to enhance your safety, prolong your comfort level when you're driving in the vehicle, and again, very comfortable. And really different from the back seat. So you have a darker driver-focused front seat, and in the back seat you have almost like a lounge-like open seat. Very spacious. As you'll notice, there's only 2 back seats to give you that extra space. And the headrests on the back seats, if you take a look, are that same kinetic band designed to give you that mobility that's best for your spine. Now, new technology in the vehicle as well. It's actually all holographic images for your display. So your passenger in the front gets their own display in their armrest to control things in the vehicle, like the infotainment system, your climate control, and then your driver, just beyond the steering wheel, will have a transparent sphere. So that's going to show you analog and digital information. And then if you take a look at the center, there's almost a crystal-shaped display screen there, all with translucent covers on it, electrostatic controls, and that is something that can be seen by both passengers and the driver, giving you the information you need while you're on the road. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the UX Lexus concept vehicle. What does a concept mean? It's an idea. So there are no plans for production right now. It's just an idea, so Lexus can show you what they're working on, what design ideas that they have. But we'd love to hear your feedback. That's what brings a concept possibly to production. It's great feedback.
A lot of
So if you
folks
have
are
anything
here
you want to
looking
share
at
with
it.
us, let us know. Please take
I think
pictures,
they like
post
it.
on social media. We want to see what you see at the auto show and what you think. So thank you for joining us here at Lexus, where you can experience amazing.
Yeah, one more look. I want those seats. Those seats are crazy. Yeah. It's a nice looking car right here. So I can get the seats. Like maroon seats. Maroon and black. LC 500. Sound like he's driving the car in the game. He's driving the car in the game. Oh, this is a Kia vehicle? Or did Kia put the oh, Kia just got the wheels on there like that. Whole nother level. See if I can pop open the. Nope. Can't pop it open. Alright. Hey! Man, that's nice. Alright. It's a nice big truck. 2017 Ram. Something else neat. This must be electric. Sweet. How do you say the name? How do you,
JAC.
yeah, how do you say it?
How you say
Yeah, how you say the company name?
JAC?
GAC? Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Huh? Hello. Is this a new brand?
Well, we're new to the United States.
That's what I mean.
Yes.
Okay.
We've been in the market since '97 in China, around Asia, Africa, the Middle East. We hope to be in the North American market by 2019.
July?
By 2019.
2019. Okay. Okay. Thank you. How do you say it?
It's Guangzhou Automobile Company. It's a city in China.
Okay. Didn't know that. Thank you.
لا 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 انا الصوره مش خش فيها توني اكتشفتها مش براءه بس
Guangzhou. So how you say it is Guangzhou. Some people are saying GAC, and it's Guangzhou. So different. Oh, bamboo, huh? In spirit. Sit down. Don't get up. Ah, bamboo trees.
Fucking Matt Rose Gold.
Oh, this is nice.
Yes.
This is nice.
You don't say that.
The company is called Guangzhou.
What?
Guangzhou.
Joe?
Guangzhou. This is not bad at all. Check out some prices and stuff.
Wait. So
This is neat. The Spy Who Shagged Me. Yeah. Highest original equipment, the entire customer specifications for luxury vehicles. Michelin. Michelin exhibit. Look at them tires. Oh, Michelin man, look at him. Dance, 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 dance. Look at that. Look at that steering wheel. Dashboard up there. Screen. That's nice. That is nice. Corvette. Oh, here we go. What? What's going on, brother? Let's ride out, man. With the red and black interior.
Look at that shit.
Batmobile contraptions. Oh, that's MacGyver. Somebody. Not MacGyver. Knight Rider. This mug is cool. The doors, man. It's all about the doors. This was just revealed 2 weeks ago. Huh. R8. V10. Whew. Alright. Oh man. That first car. What was that? Whew. This is nice. I-8. Oh, it's only 140. 152. I thought it was me more than that. The design is nice though. Yeah. 7 Series. Yeah, that's an electric. Excuse me. They all rolling. Let's see. 5 Series. It's the bad thing about a lot of these cars, they all look alike. Too many years of let's see. This was an X8, X6. Okay, this is nice. I do like this crossover. Get a Volvo real quick, and we're out of here. Just got somebody's picture real quick. It's pretty funny. Volkswagen. Do they have anything really? Genesis. Oh, these are nice. This is nice. Yeah. Excuse me.
They're very new. They came out last year.
That's nice. All right, let's get out of here. Hyundai.
Discovering the fingers. It's like, oh, look at these things.
I give him a shot. You go look real quick. Got a few. No one's really over here. All these cars are looking the same pretty much now. So all you're doing really is paying for price. Oh shit. Oh man. This ain't bad. With the red seats. That's all you can do. The red seats. Y'all can see red seats. What's going on, fellas? Anything in here? Nah, it's okay. Just missed it. Nice seat. So line for something? Oh, VR stuff. So they're testing out VR equipment to drive the vehicles. Oh, you can pick the interior, the exterior. That's pretty neat. This is pretty neat. Little section. Oh man, I've never seen that. How the seat goes to the side. Oh man, that's nice. That's different. That is different. Get in. Oh, this is nice. It's pretty nice. No button? No, I'll probably take the key. Unlock. Yeah. That's no fun. Lose the keys. Alright, let me get back. Yeah. Man, this thing looks so plain Jane. So if y'all seen that other truck and then look at that, it's crazy. What are you doing? That's a new Q4. Let's see how big the trunk is. So that's a decent trunk size.